Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Before Christmas I ordered a new clear jelly stamper stamping plate, and for me this was a must-have for my collection as I have a massive love for butterflies. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing clear jelly stamper CJS-80 Butterfly Wishes, and as always you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my scraper and my stamper holder, which has a large clear jelly stamper stamp head in it. I have 4 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to start with the first white nail tip. I'm going to show you how I created this butterfly, but I'm just going to use one side of it. For the stamping polishes, which will all be clear jelly stamper polishes, I'm using a pink, a pale lilac-y purple and a dark purple. These three work amazing together and I actually use them a lot, and you'll see them a lot in the photo swatches. But before I use them, I'm going to use a pale grey as my guide layer. I've done this before and it works brilliantly. So I'll stamp that first and you'll see that it can really only just be seen. I do want to try 67 Secret Garden and see how that works. Once I've done that, I'll then come in with the colours, starting with the pink. Now, I did do both sides, no idea why, but the guide really does help. So I'll then come in with the pale purple and do the same. Now, I didn't quite get it totally lined up, but it doesn't matter. I'll then finish with the dark purple for the outline. As I said, I use these colours a lot, and I also use them in my mani as well, but the butterfly looks really good. For the next swatch I'm going to use a light pink nail tip. I'm using 4 different stamping polishes for this design. A neon pink, a white and the pale and dark purple again. So this flower design builds up in layers and the final look looks amazing. It sort of reminds me of an oil painting look. It really is beautiful. Now you will see that I'm using my lint roller to remove the excess. I have had people come to me about using other things like tape or nails, scrapers, different bits and pieces. For me, this is the only way I've found that really does work. I would love to be able to use a scraper because it would be a lot easier, but I just can't make it work. I've no idea why. But anyway, I thought I would say that, and a thank you to my lovely subscribers for giving me the tips and tricks and things like that. I really do appreciate it. So as you can see, this really does build up nicely. I almost used this for my mani, but I'll definitely be doing a mani very soon with this. Maybe even in a video. Ideas. I also want to try with different colours as well. I thought a yellow, an orange, a red and a brown. See what that looks like. But it really is a beautiful image. For the next swatch I'm going to use a light purple nail tip along with 2 different stamping polishes, a dark purple and a white. I'll start with the dark purple for the first layer. Now if you follow me on Instagram you'll know that I've just had 3 new stamping plates arrive and 2 are floral, and I'm excited to bring them to my channel. I'll then come in with the white for the second layer to complete the look completely. I am wanting to do some floral spring layered nails. This is something I've never done before, but this is a very pretty image and I would probably use it as well. It's large, but there is still enough room to add something else if you have really long nails, but it really is a very pretty image. For the next swatch I'm going to use a white nail tip along with 2 different stamping polishes, a pink and a purple. Now I did wonder if the purple would be seen over the top of the pink, and I did wonder if maybe I should have used number 16 instead of 18, but I wanted a different purple. So once the pink is laid, I'll then go in with the purple over the top, and you'll see that it's quite subtle over the pink, but it still looks really nice though. I'm going to finish this nail by adding one of the words. I really like this swirly font and it transfers beautifully. And at the end, there is still enough room to add maybe one or two more small butterflies to this nail, but it really is nice though. It's very simple, but it stands out. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Clear Jelly Stamper CJS80 Butterfly Wishes. Clear Jelly Stamper CJS80 Butterfly Wishes is absolutely beautiful. In total, I've taken 24 swatches. Some of them have more than one design on the pop sticks, so there is more than 24 images across the entire plate. When I saw that Clear Jelly Stamper had this new butterfly plate, I just knew it had to be in my collection. I create a fibromyalgia mani every year for Awareness Day. This is the illness that I suffer with on a daily basis, and that is why I really wanted this plate. It really hasn't disappointed me at all, and to be honest, I cannot wait for May to come around for me to create that mani again. I've mainly used pinks and purples, but any colour will work. One thing I will say is the 3 large butterfly designs at the bottom of the plate. I really couldn't get a better swatch of them. I do tend to have trouble with the layered lace for some reason. It's definitely a work in progress for me, and hopefully one day I will crack it. I do, however, love the painted looking flower I did in the video, and that will work really well with the painted looking small butterfly alongside it, and that is definitely a mani that I really do want to do. If you have a passion for butterflies like I do, then this is a must purchase plate. The big butterflies at the top of the plate, I used the guide trick for them and it really made them easy to use. The rest, they didn't really need it. I am so excited to return for some more manis. I got quite a lot of inspiration. I also want to see how CJS80 works with my new floral Clear Jelly Stamper stamping plates. When I was designing my mani, I went back and forth many times. There was just so many images I wanted to use, and I actually sat on the mani for a day before I created it in the end. For the mani, I took inspiration from the photo swatches, and I loved the white base with the mix of pinks and purples for the stamping. I don't often use whites as base polishes, but it just worked so well. The stamping really stands out well and looks amazing over the top of it. I did wonder, however, if this might have looked slightly better as a matte finish, but I love the butterflies on the index and pinky fingers. I'm definitely using them again, but I really like how this mani came together. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamper CJS80 Butterfly Wishes. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.